Hello, today we are going to learn how to use Sony Alpha A7 III camera. First of all, connect the lens with the camera. There is a white dot on the lens and the camera body. Align this white dot and turn the camera clockwise and it will be locked. When it's locked, you will hear a lock sound. Now insert the battery inside the camera. You can insert the battery over here. Make sure the battery is aligned properly. Now insert the SD card inside the camera. SD card slot is given over here. There are two slots, slot 1, slot 2. You can insert this card in any of this slot. After inserting SD card and the battery inside the camera, you can turn it on. To start this camera, there is a button given over here. You can slide it to the on side and the camera will be started. There is a knob given over here. I will suggest to keep it on auto if you are a beginner. To change the focus of the camera, you can press this C3 button. You can change focus from autofocus to continuous focus to manual focus. But again, I will suggest to keep it on autofocus only if you are a beginner. To take the photo with the camera, you can press this capture button. Press it semi-half. When the focus is done, press it completely to take photo with the camera. This red dot button given over here is for recording video. You can press it once and the video will be start capturing. Press it again to stop the capturing. You can check all these photos and videos using this gallery button. Just press it once and the gallery will be opened. Press it again to go to the camera live view screen. If you press and hold this button, the focus will be changed. You can connect external mic with the camera by connecting it to this port. To turn off the camera, you can slide this button to off and the camera will be turned off. Thank you.